Hey, what's up? I'm Chef Nicolas Ganea, and I want to talk about this that we're not afraid to speak out about. Leaks and bottles being broken, that's going to happen. There's no way around it. And if this happened to you, or is going to happen to you, I hope not, but it's a possibility. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can hit us up on this text message right here. It goes straight to my phone and everyone else in our team, and we'll refund you your money or we'll send you a brand new one. Here's our opinion about this. It's not fair on you that you ordered a product and it leaked or broke. It's not your problem. It's our problem. And we're not sure how it happened. Maybe it happened because we did something, or it happened when it went through shipping and you received it. We're not sure, but we'll get to the bottom of it. But it's not fair on you. So if this happened to you, please don't hesitate to hit us up in the text message or email. I would suggest the text message because it's much faster. And then we'll send you a new one, or you'll be refund your money. Because at the end of the day, we want you to be happy and we want you to have a great product. And it's not fair for something like that to happen to you.